Let's be honest, sometimes life feels directionless. You wake up, go through the motions, and wonder, is this it? If you've ever felt stuck, unmotivated, or unsure of your path, you're not alone. Most of us are just trying to figure out what really matters. That's where Ikigai comes in. It's not about having everything figured out. It's about tuning in to what gives your life meaning. In this episode, we'll break down how you can start finding your Ikigai, even if you have no clue where to begin. And spoiler alert, it starts with 4 simple questions. The 4 Ikigai questions. Finding your Ikigai starts by asking yourself 4 powerful questions. They're simple, but don't let that fool you. These questions can change everything. What do I love? Think beyond hobbies. What activities make you feel alive? Time disappears. You forget to check your phone. What am I good at? These don't have to be skills on a resume. Maybe you're great at listening or organizing or making people laugh. What does the world need? What problems around you spark emotion? What pain are you drawn to help heal? What can I be paid for? This isn't about chasing money, it's about sustainability. How can your talents meet real demand? Ikigai often lives where the answers to these 4 questions overlap. You don't need to have all the answers now. Just start asking. Let's make this real. A young teacher in Tokyo loved calligraphy. She wasn't sure it could mean anything, but she started sharing her passion online, writing uplifting words in beautiful brushstrokes. Now, she teaches calligraphy to kids and adults. Her Ikigai, spreading peace through the art of writing. Then there's a retired mechanic in Okinawa. He fixes old bikes, not for money, but to help neighbors who can't afford repairs. He says every time he hands back a working bike, he feels young again. His Ikigai? Staying useful, feeling needed. Ikigai doesn't have to be fancy. It can be small, quiet, ordinary, but when you find it, it lights you up from the inside. So think, what's something you love that might be meaningful to someone else? Small steps approach. You don't need to quit your job or move to Japan to find your Ikigai. Start small. Take 10 minutes a day to explore one thing you love. Talk to someone who inspires you. Say yes to something new, even if it scares you a little. Ikigai isn't discovered in a single moment. It unfolds gradually as you live with more awareness and intention. Don't wait for a big purpose to show up. Follow the tiny sparks. They often lead to something beautiful. Your Ikigai isn't out there. It's already within you, just waiting to be noticed. So what's one small thing you can do today that brings you joy? That's your first breadcrumb. Follow it. Your Ikigai doesn't have to change the world. It just needs to mean something to you. In the next episode, we'll explore how Okinawan communities support each other's Ikigai and how you can create your own circle of purpose. If this gave you something to reflect on, like the video, share it with a friend, and follow Minutes of Wisdom for more heart-centered insights. Until next time, stay patient, stay present, and keep listening for your Ikigai.